Each scale degree in a major scale has its own name. We have used some of these names throughout our study of music theory. The first note of a major scale is the tonic. The fourth note is the subdominant. The fifth note is the dominant. And the seventh note is the leading tone. This leaves only 3 notes that we have not discussed previously. The second note of a major scale is known as the supertonic because it is above the tonic. The third scale degree is the mediant, and the sixth scale degree is the submediant. The term mediant is used with the 2 notes that are a third away from the tonic, the mediant being a third above, and the submediant being a third below. Each of these terms can also be applied to chords. For example, a C major triad in the key of C is referred to as the tonic triad. In the same key, the G chord is referred to as the dominant triad, and the G7 is the dominant 7th chord. When composing chord progressions in a major key, we have had 2 options for mediant chords, the minor 3 and the borrowed flat 3 major. For submediant chords, we have had the minor 6 and the borrowed flat 6 major. These can be triads or 7th chords. The term chromatic mediant refers to the chromatic alteration of these basic chords. For example, 3 can be major, and flat 3 can be minor. 6 can be major, and flat 6 can be minor. In the key of C, 3 is E minor, and 6 is A minor. Flat 3 is E flat major, and flat 6 is A flat major. For the chromatic mediants, major 3 is based on E and is therefore E major. Flat 3 minor is based on E flat and is therefore E flat minor. 6 major is based on A and is A major, and flat 6 minor is based on A flat and is A flat minor. Let's find these chords in the key of A major. The diatonic mediant is C sharp minor, and the diatonic submediant is F sharp minor. The borrowed mediant is C, and the borrowed submediant is F. For the chromatic mediants, we can change the diatonic mediant to C sharp major, and the diatonic submediant to F sharp major. The borrowed mediant can be changed to C minor, and the borrowed submediant can be changed to F minor. Now we have a chart with all the possible mediant relationships in the key of A. It is important to note that this concept brings us into the realm of non-functional harmony. Non-functional progressions do not have strong movement toward a tonic. In the case of chromatic mediant relationships, these chords create ambiguity. Here is a typical progression that uses a combination of mediant chords. 1 major, flat 6 major, 3 major, back to 1 major. This is C, A flat, E, and C in the key of C. Here's the sound of this progression. The same chords can be used as minor as well. Here is the sound of this progression. They can also be used in combination. For example, minor 1, flat 6 major, 3 major, back to minor 1. Here is the sound of this progression.